And we want to thank our Parks Recreation Department, our DPW, and of course, let's hear it for our Nassau County Police Department for keeping us safe. And at this time, I want to introduce some visitors to the county who have come because they want to celebrate Pakistani Independence Day with all of us.
This is an amazing day, and I'm so thankful to be a part of it. As he said, I was a cop for almost 25 years. I served with the New York City Police Department, and
Well, when I ran for election last year, it was very interesting. When I met people in the Muslim community, they wanted change. They were tired of the old policies that really didn't benefit them. So many Pakistanis are small business owners, and they're worried about crime, they're worried about inflation, they're worried about someone who may close their business because of the pandemic, and they can't afford that anymore. So now, I think it's very important that I spend a lot of time in the Muslim community because they are an important part of Nassau County. We are larger than 10 states. Our gross domestic product is larger than 144 nations in the United Nations. And we are open to all people, whether it be Muslim, Jewish, Christian, Hindu, Sikh. Everybody is welcome here in Nassau County because we live together in peace and harmony, and we enjoy the differences that we have, but we also celebrate the things that bring us together.
The relationship between the United States and Pakistan is important. The diversity of our state, of our country is important. We have people who come from all around the world to the United States of America. They come here pursuing an American dream, but they're proud of where they came from. And we need to celebrate that diversity, to embrace it. And tonight is a great night for us to be here with family, with friends. It was an honor to be part of today's ceremony, and I look forward to doing it again next year.
I'm loving the energy here, and I'm so impressed because I know this is just a fraction of the crowd because most of us show up 2 hours late, so I know it's going to be over 5,000 people here today.
My name is Amanda Field, and I'm running for the New York State Assembly in Assembly District 15 here on Long Island, and I'm here to just speak a little bit about the Asian American vote here in Long Island and the importance of it, and especially with these elections coming up, and down ballot elections like mine are going to be very, very close. Some of these elections could be won or lost by less than 100 votes, and the votes of this community are very important because the population has grown so much, especially our women who must be a part of what's going on here. We want to make sure that we're engaged and that we're collaborating and communicating with everybody here, not only now but into the future, and bringing them into a part of group meetings and part of our government. Something that I've done in my elected capacity now. I'm a commissioner of water. I've made sure that I've communicated with my public. We've held community meetings. We've continued to communicate. We want to know what the public is what's happening with them and what their needs are, and it's really important that we engage and have especially our female voters who are the center of their households, and they're teaching their children democracy, and they're teaching what needs to happen to engage and affect their homes and their rights, making sure that we're electing officials that have their importance, such as, if crimes and hate crimes and safety, and making sure we're able to live here and bringing our communities together, lowering the temperature for what's happened in this political divide like I have never seen before.
My name is Steve Rhodes. I am a Nassau County legislator. I'm running for the New York State Senate out of the 5th District. And it's incredibly important. One of my favorite quotes was from President Reagan, that our origins matter less than our destinations. Where we're from is less important than where we're going together. And that's why participation in the electoral process is so incredibly important, because we want to be one community, regardless of where we're from. We want to build our future together. And in order to build that future together, it's important for you to participate by being active participants in voting.
मैं अपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट की बात करता हूँ। छोटा सा डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, 100,000 लोगों का, उसमें 10,000 से ज्यादा पाकिस्तानी मुसलमान, तो 10% है, जो कि एक वोट सीट को आपको जितवाने और हराने में पूरा किरदार अदा कर सकते हैं। अगर 10,000 लोग आ गए तो आप जीत गए, और नहीं आए तो आप हार गए। इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस है। इसी तरह ट्राई स्टेट न्यूयॉर्क ट्राई स्टेट एरिया में ऑलमोस्ट 3 मिलियन मुसलमान हैं। न्यूयॉर्क, न्यू जर्सी, कनेटिकट वगैरह मिला के ऑलमोस्ट 3 मिलियन मुसलमान, काफ़ी लोग हैं। तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा तादाद बढ़ती जा रही है और लोग इन्वॉल्व हो रहे हैं पॉलिटिक्स में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा। तो अच्छी बात है, इन्वॉल्व होना चाहिए, लेकिन और लोगों को रन करना चाहिए। जैसे मैं कर रहा हूँ, मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ इंशाल्लाह मुझे देख के और बच्चे भी सोचेंगे कि वो रन। यही है मकसद।